Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas beef, only way. Start by gathering 1 pound of ground beef, tortillas, cheese, and your preferred enchilada sauce. Brown the beef with onions and garlic, then season with chili powder, cumin, and salt to taste. Warm the tortillas briefly so they roll without cracking. This prep makes assembly faster and ensures even flavor in every enchilada. Cook the beef in a medium skillet over medium heat until no pink remains and juices evaporate a bit. Add diced onions and minced garlic, stirring until translucent and fragrant. Sprinkle in chili powder, cumin, and salt, then deglaze with a small splash of broth to keep the filling moist. Simmer briefly so flavors meld, then remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly before filling tortillas. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup almost automatic, with voice control that says goodbye to crumbs while you focus on flavors. Its smart mapping keeps it out of your way when guests arrive. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you, great. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your oven and lightly coat a baking dish with enchilada sauce. Dip each tortilla briefly in sauce so they stay soft, add a spoonful of beef filling, and roll tightly. Arrange seam side down in the dish, then pour remaining sauce evenly over the top. Sprinkle with a generous layer of shredded cheese and bake until the sauce bubbles and cheese is golden. Let rest a few minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.